Okay, so here we are ready to generate code based on our design. So part one I had you just set up the field, bring some text in, and then I went offline, I brought this image in. Part two, I showed you how to apply the toolpath over here and make the toolpath with the correct tooling. Now we have to make this design into code that our machines understand. So I'm going to come over here to my toolpaths tab where we were in the last video. I'm going to go ahead and say save toolpath. I want to make sure that one is selected. If I don't have anything selected, it's not going to show anything. It's going to say no visible toolpaths. So I want to make sure it's selected. Then right here under post processor, you want to click on that. And there's a lot of them. But you want to make sure that it's FANUC 16 ATC arcs inch. So not millimeter, not FANUC 15, FANUC 16 ATC arcs inch. Click that and then save toolpath. You're going to put this in your U drive. Okay, so in your U drive, we want to save this. Now this is very important. We have to save this in a specific format. You want the letter O, not a 0. I don't want it to look like that. I want the letter O. And then you're going to use your ID number. So whatever that is, the 5 digits, you're going to go ahead and use that. I'm going to go, and I'm just going to call it 45678. But you don't want to do that because that's mine. So I save it. And now you're done in Ericon. And what you need to do at this point is you need to grab a laptop from the computer stand in the shop, and you need to open that up and log in. So let's assume I just did that. You can no longer work in Ericon, but basically what you want to do is just go to the Windows key, go to computer. In here, you're going to find your U drive. Okay, and then I'm going to find a file. And it says 045678.tap. That's what the file saves as in Ericon. I need to change this, so I need to right click and hit rename. And I want to delete the TAP, and I want to replace it with TXT. Hit enter. It's going to say, are you sure? Yes. Now it turns into a text file, and I can open it up. This is the file. This is the code that my program generates. So if you look in here, a lot of locations, which you guys are used to. Okay, but all the way up here, we have to do a couple of things. We have to make 3 changes to this program. First thing we need to do is come all the way to the top and enter down. In the space we just made, we need a % sign. That starts the program. On the next line of code, it says 00001. All of yours will say that. I want to delete the numbers and change it to match the file you saved it as. So I have 45678. You should have your ID number. So I want this to match that. So 004678. And the last thing you're going to do is come all the way to the bottom. This M17 right here, we just delete. And then save this file. File, save. And that's it. Then the last thing you have to do is take this file, and you'll get a flash drive that we used to put it on the machine. We'll put this on the flash drive, and then put the flash drive on the machine, transfer it over, and we're ready to run. So really what you need to do for this video is just come over here, save your toolpath, FANUC 16, into your U drive, then open up your U drive, change the file name, open it up, and make those 3 edits that I have in this video. Other than that, your program should be ready to run on the CNC mill.